Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So number 4 divided by number 2, we have number 2. Next, this one multiplied by this one and this one. So this one you got number 0. This one we have negative 2x. This one we have number 1. The integration of number 1 that is about x. The integration of this one we have e to the power of negative number 2x over number 2 because negative and negative they cancel. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.